Hey folks, welcome to AI Twin. This is how you integrate a AI Twin into your application. You can easily do that in just 3 steps or so. First step would be to generate a auth token. So this is the same thing that we use throughout the application, where you use your client ID and client secret, and whatever user of your application is using it, so their user ID can be used, and username to generate the auth token. And yeah, so after that you just have to supply the twin ID and just render it. So it's quite simple as that. It can render in any of your React applications. And if you would like to modify the face ID and voice ID, you can do that as well. Instead of using the twin ID, you want to have more control, you can do that as well. You'll get a different one, and you can even test. Yeah,
Hello from
so
the
you
A-Twin
can
Player
even test
docs.
out the
Try changing the
voices
props
and
and
so on.
click
So
apply.
that's just an interactive tool for you to figure out how that works. So essentially, the main point to take home from here is that you can either supply the brain ID and face ID by yourself, or supply the twin ID, which will fetch the rest of the details for you. This is primarily running on React. And yeah, it's a simple package that you can install from npm. Uh, and you have a component here in which you can supply the twin ID. You can also obviously supply the face ID and voice ID and brain ID separately here. And as soon as the face is ready, there are certain events that get fired for you to listen on to make your UI more appealing during the wait time. So these twins do tend to be along the sizes of 10 MB to 20 MB. So that's something to watch out for. We are looking to make that smaller soon. Yeah, so then whenever there is a state change, or if there's an error, we allow you to set some callbacks for listening to those events. And coming to the good part right now, so how do you connect your AI agent to your AI twin is through this speak text API call. So essentially, whatever your agent is speaking, you can supply this to speak text function. And yeah, so you can even basically the avatar would just respond to whatever you add here. And you can also have the ability to change the voice ID during the call, and there are a lot of functions that you can check out on this page. You also have the ability to have a real-time conversation in which the input voice is there, and then you have the LLM running in the middle, and then you have the output. So we do support that as well. One thing to take care of is whenever you're generating the auth token, it's better to do it as a proxy on your backend, so that you control who is actually logged in, and you can essentially give the token to those who are actually logged in. That's it. You are ready to go, I guess. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.